Hi, let's discuss follow. In previous lecture, I discussed first. For LL1 parts table, we need both first and follow. Let's take an example. From S, you can derive A, S, B or epsilon. Then in derivation process, from S, you can derive A, S, B. So in the derivation process, which terminal follow that variable is called as follow of that variable. Like B is the follow for S. Or you can say it is a set of all terminals that may follow to the right of A in any production or any sentential form. Let's discuss rules for finding follow. For every start symbol, follow of S will be dollar. Then if there is any production A derive alpha, B, beta, then everything in first of beta will be follow of B. So follow of B will be first of beta. If there is any production A derive alpha, B, beta and first of beta contain epsilon, then follow of B will be follow of A union first of beta minus epsilon. As follow cannot contain epsilon. The next rule, if S derive alpha A or simply S derive A, then follow of A will be follow of S. Just remember these four rules. We'll use these four rules for finding follow. First rule, for every start symbol, follow of S will be dollar. Then follow of B will be first of beta. Then follow of B will be first of beta. If first of beta contain epsilon, then follow of B will be follow of A. Then if S derive A, then follow of A will be follow of S. Let's do some example. First example, from A we are deriving A or epsilon. So what will be follow of A? Follow of A will be simply dollar according to rule 1. This is the start symbol, so follow of A will be dollar. Let's say another example. From A you can derive A start bracket, A end bracket or epsilon. Now in right side A is present. After A, which terminal is present? Here start bracket is present, here end bracket is present. So follow of A will be start bracket, end bracket, and this is also the start symbol, that's why follow of A will be dollar. So it will be dollar start bracket and end bracket. Here we use rule 2 and rule 1. Let's say another example. From S you can derive AA. From A you can derive AAB or SA or epsilon. Now what will be follow of S? Follow of S will be dollar as this is the start symbol. Then check in right side where S is present. Here S is present. After S, which terminal is present? A is present. So follow of S will be A and dollar. This is according to rule 2 and rule 1. According to rule 1, dollar. According to rule 2, here beta is a terminal A, so first of A will be A. Next, what will be follow of A? Now check in right side where A is present. A is present here and here. After A, here B is present. So follow of A will be first of B, or you can say B. Then here is also A present. According to this, follow of A will be follow of S. So this is according to rule 4. Now what will be follow of A? It will be B and follow of S. So it will be dollar A B. B due to this, dollar A due to this production. Follow of A will be follow of S. Let's see next example. Here S derive AAB, A derive AAC or epsilon, B derive BB or A. Now what will be follow of S? Now just check in right side S is present. No, S is not present. So follow of S will be simply dollar. Next follow of A. Now check in right side where A is present. Here A is present. After A, C terminal is there. So follow of A will be C. Then here A is present. So follow of A will be first of B. What is first of B? First of B will be B and A. So follow of A will be A, B, C. C due to this production, after A, C is present. A, B due to this production. Follow of A will be first of B and first of B is B and A. Next, what is follow of B? Now check where B is present. B is present here and here. Here after B nothing is present. Here fall of B will be fall of S. What is fall of S? It is dollar. So fall of B will be dollar. This is according to rule 4, this is according to rule 1 and this is according to rule 2. Next example 5. S derive AB, A derive AA or epsilon, B derive BB or epsilon. Now what will be fall of S? S is not present at right side. So fall of S will be simply dollar. Then what will be fall of A? A is present here and A is present here. Fall of A will be first of B. What first of B contain? First of B contain B and epsilon. But epsilon cannot be part of follow. So it will be simply B then fall of S. What is fall of S? It is dollar. So fall of A will be B and dollar. Just understand from S you can derive A, B. In place of B you can write BB or epsilon. So from S you can derive A, B, B or from S you can derive simply A. In place of B when you substitute epsilon. Now according to this production fall of A will be B. Then according to this production fall of A will be fall of S. And what is fall of S? It is dollar. That's why fall of A will be B and dollar. B is a first of B and dollar as fall of A will be fall of S. Next fall of B. Now just check where B is present. B is present here and B is present here. So fall of B will be fall of S. What is fall of S? It is dollar. So fall of B will be simply dollar. Here after B nothing is present and fall of B will be fall of B. Let's see next example. From S we derive A, B, C, D, E. From A we derive A or epsilon. From B we derive B or epsilon. From C we derive C or epsilon. From D we derive D. From E, E or epsilon. I already discussed same example for finding first. You can go through that. Let's find follow. What will be follow of S? Follow of S will be dollar. As in right side S is not present. So follow of S will be simply dollar. Now what will be follow of A? Follow of A will be first of B. What is first of B? First of B is B or epsilon. So it will contain B. Then when it will be epsilon, fall of A will be first of C. What is first of C? First of C is C and epsilon. So it can be C. When C is also epsilon, fall of A will be first of D. What is first of D? First of D is D. So it will be B, C, D. Just understand from S you can derive A, B, C, D, E. Now in place of B you can substitute B or epsilon. So it will be A, B, C, D, E. Or you can say A in place of B you will substitute epsilon. So it will be C, D, E. According to this production, fall of A will be B. According to this production, fall of A will be first of C. Then in place of C also you can write either C or epsilon. So when it will be C, fall of A will be C. When it will be epsilon, fall of A will be first of D. Then first of D can be D. So fall of A will be D. Next, fall of B. Fall of B will be first of C. What is first of C? C or epsilon. So in place of C, when we write epsilon, then fall of B will be first of D. What is first of D? It is D. So fall of B will be C and D. C due to first of C and D when C can be epsilon, it will be first of D. Next, fall of C. Fall of C will be first of D. What is first of D? It is D. So fall of C will be simply D. Next, fall of D. Fall of D will be first of E. What is first of E? It can be E or epsilon. So it can be E. Then it can be epsilon, as epsilon is not part of follow. So fall of D will be fall of S. It can be dollar. So fall of D can be E or dollar. Just understand from S you can derive A, B, C, D, E. Now from E you can derive E or epsilon. So you can write A, B, C, D, E in place of E. A, B, C, D. So from S you can derive either these two by substituting E or epsilon in place of this C. Now fall of D will be E, and here fall of D will be fall of S. What is fall of S? It is dollar. So it will be E and dollar. Now what is fall of E? Fall of E will be fall of S. What is fall of S? It is dollar. So fall of E will be simply dollar. Let's see another example. Example 7. E derive T E dash. E dash derive plus T E dash or epsilon. T derive F T dash. T dash derive multiplication F T dash or epsilon. F derive bracket E or ID. Now just check in right side where E is present. E is present here. So after E there is a end bracket. Fall of E will be end bracket and it is a star symbol. So that's why fall of E will be end bracket and dollar. Next what will be fall of E dash. Now just check in right side where E dash is present. Here E dash is present. Here E dash is present. So according to this, fall of E dash will be fall of E. Simply write down end bracket and dollar. Now what will be fall of T? Now just check in right side where T is present here. So fall of T will be first of E dash. What is first of E dash? First of E dash will be plus and epsilon. So fall of T will be plus, but it cannot contain epsilon. So when this thing will be epsilon, fall of T will be fall of E dash. What is fall of E dash? We already found. So fall of T will be plus end bracket and dollar. Plus this is in first of E dash, then end bracket and dollar, as fall of T will be fall of E dash. Next find fall of T dash. Now just check in right side where T dash is present. T dash is present here, T dash is present here. So according to this, fall of T dash will be fall of T. Fall of T we already found, so fall of T dash will be plus end bracket and dollar. Next find fall of F. Check in right side where F is present, here F is present, here F is present. So in both, fall of F will be first of T dash. Now what is first of T dash? First of T dash is multiplication and epsilon. So fall of F can be multiplication. So when this will be epsilon, so fall of F will be fall of T. What is fall of T? That we already found. It is plus end bracket and dollar. So fall of F will be multiplication plus end bracket and dollar. Multiplication due to first of T dash and plus end bracket dollar. When this will be epsilon, fall of F will be fall of T, and fall of T is plus end bracket dollar. So fall of F is multiplication plus end bracket and dollar. For finding follow, you just check the right side. In right side, after that variable which terminal is present. If terminal is present, you can write directly the terminal. If terminal is not present, some variable is present, you can write first of that variable. And if first of that variable contain epsilon, then you can just substitute in place of that epsilon and you can find fall of A will be fall of S. Just remember the rules. You can use these rules and you can simply find the follow. And epsilon cannot be part of follow. Epsilon can be part of first. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.